After about a month, we're back for another flash vertical velocity construction update. So park hours today are 10:30 to 9, and I do believe there are fireworks going on right now, so it should be fun. Doesn't look like any grouting has been done, but a lot of work prepping the area, dirt being pushed around. Yeah guys, I'm sorry I haven't been making updates recently, but truth be told, there hasn't really been much that has happened since the last update, so I didn't feel like it was worth your guys' time, so I just decided not to make any videos. But looks like work is kind of picking up, but still moving at a snail's foot pace. So since the last update, they painted the electrical shed red, and it looks like they're doing some painting work right now. You see they're painting the frame of the door to yellow. Yeah, it doesn't look like crews are on site today, other than this guy. So a lot has changed since the last update about a month ago. One, that pretty much all the cars are now back on Giant Wheel. We're gonna go check out some more progress going on around the park. But I think the big one is that the Cedar Fair and Six Flags merger has now taken place. Cedar Fair is no more, and it is all one big company. So very interesting. They've already changed the logo to kind of more of a Cedar Fair style for the Six Flags logo, so it looks great. I'm interested to see what the changes are next year. I hope they are for the better, and we shall see. So one thing that's changed is Wonder Woman has been down the last couple weeks. Something I just noticed, it looks like they will be bringing back the bar that was here in the old observatory. They had something last year for Holiday in the Park, but yep, looks like Retro Bar will be coming back. Fantastic. So apparently they have started to weld some of the pieces together, but still no grouting, so very unfortunate. They need that before they can start testing, and yeah. Hopefully in the next upcoming weeks we start to see that. So it does look like there are crews out today working on the supports. They might start grouting today, so hopefully that happens. A lot of work has also been done over here by the new Arboretum.
I ate Principal Wallace yogurt from the back of the fridge.
Oh no!
I blame the dog for my own limb when Russell stopped thinking.
guys, looks like they are testing out Giant Wheel. Looks like they are doing training over there. So hopefully in the next upcoming days, this is open. A couple hours later, and they painted the door for the electrical shed. Yeah, a lot of work over the past couple weeks has all been like electrical work, so not much has happened. So just hoping the worst is behind us. And you can see that gray mark there. That's where they've started to weld pieces together. So very, very exciting. So unfortunately, Kingda Ka closed again this season. Apparently, it seems that the lift cable snapped from what I've heard. Yeah, that happened last year. They were able to get it up around this time. So it's usually around these late June and July months that Kingda Ka often goes down and stuff. So hopefully it should be up in the next upcoming weeks. Definitely come check out the new parade when you come here. Six Flags kind of day. Pretty much all the performers come out. Great time. And a couple hours later, hopefully in the next upcoming weeks, the dirt and gravel is spread throughout the area. I think they want to get this area back open. Supposedly, Cyborg started testing recently, so it'd be nice to get some more foot traffic back here and not have to walk all the way back through Movie Town to get back to Cyborg and Justice League. And well guys, that's going to do it from this week's Flash Vertical Velocity Construction update here at Six Flags Great Adventure. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, hopefully in the next upcoming week you see more grouting work, as well as I really want to see testing. So hopefully we can get this open. I mean, Penguin Trek, you know, just opened this week. Phoenix Rising just opened next week. So hopefully Great Adventure is next. But anyways, guys, if you like this episode, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on PANJ Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.